Senator Amy Marcos believes President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. fell ill because no one in Malacanang was truly looking after his well-being.
Ang health niya ang bibigay. Talaga naman. Kanya-kanyang agenda kayo dyan. Wala naman umaasikaso sa kanya.
The lady senator made the remark as she spoke about her brother's recent health scare. The president was placed under medical observation after reportedly experiencing diverticulitis, which Amy Marcos attributed to severe stress and age.
Wala kasing nag-aalaga sa kanya. Sino ba dyan sa nakapaligid sa palasyo sa dinami-dami ninyo ang talagang nagmamahal sa kapatid ko? Yan lang ang tanong ko, no?
The president later assured the public that he was in good condition upon returning to Malacanang. The lady senator said she had advised her brother to prioritize his health and distance himself from people she claimed were merely causing trouble.
Kung ako sa kanya, pangalagaan muna niya ang sarili niya. Magpalakas siya. Ayan. Talikuran na niya lahat ng nakapaligid dyan sa palasyo. Panggulo lang yan. Wala sa kanila ang talagang nagmamahal sa kanya.
Amy Marcos also took a swipe at unnamed individuals, suggesting that some people around the palace were overstepping their roles.
Habang may sakit siya, kung ano-ano namang ginagawa nitong mga feeling presidente. Naku!